ang ating gagamiting topic is build self-discipline. So, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo ang 5 technique, which is writing data's instructions, specifying instruction clearly, using delimiters, controlling output length, and requesting specific format. So, sa bawat isa ay may weak prompt and improve pro. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung ano ang tamang pag. So, first is, unahin muna natin ang weak prompt. So, mag-type tayo dito, tips for a build self-discipline. So, as we can see, nag-respond si AI ng very general and not specific to our situation. Kasi wala tayong binigay na details, kaya hindi natin siya madaling maintindihan. So, wala tayong nilagay na data. So, ganito lang yung example ni AI. So, try natin ang improve prompt. So, prompt tayo dito na give me 5 steps for build self-discipline. In school. So, ito is may may details. So, sa nakikita natin, ang response niya ay may details na madali na siyang basahin at may specific definition pa siya. Kaya, madali lang maintindihan. So, which is good siya kaysa nung dito sa nauna. So, next is specific instructions clearly. So, type natin explain the self-discipline. Sa nakikita natin, si AI ay hindi general ang kanyang answer at hindi siya madaling basahin, madaling maintindihan kasi hindi tayo naglagay ng details, kaya ganito ang isasagot ni AI. So wala siyang hindi siya madaling basahin, ganun. So, try natin improve details. Explain the build self-discipline in school. Simple using 3 paragraphs. So, as we can see, response to AI is very clear. Kasi may details tayong nilagay and may instructions and naka-organize siya at madaling intindihin kasi may details tayong dito, like okay, mas good ito kaysa dito kasi simple lang siya but hindi siya madaling intindihan. Ito mahaba pero madali lang nating intindihin. So next is using delimiters. So type natin example, explain self discipline. Discipline in school. So dito is nakikita natin is clarify siya, mahirap intindihin, and then confusing dahil hindi siya madaling intindihin, and then schools, and also taas, mahaba at mahirap siyang basahin kasi mahirap siyang so try natin yung improve data, improve prompt niya. So explain self explain the concept of building self discipline in school. So dito is very understandable, madali siyang intindihin, may details, may specific naka-specific na siya, at madali lang siyang maintindihan. So mas better ito kaysa dito kasi mahirap intindihin, hindi siya confusing, and then hindi siya madaling maintindihan. So this is good answer for you guys. So next is controlling output length. So mag-prompt natin siya. Tell me about the self discipline. So this is a weak prompt. So as we can see, si AI ay siya ng mahaba, hindi siya. It's too general. Tas mahirap siyang intindihin, mahirap siyang basahin, and then very hindi siya naka-details. Like yung details is kung kung saan siya area, ganun dito. Hindi siya naka-details. So try nating improve prompt. Explain why building self discipline in Means code. Means code. Code is important. Is very details, mabilis na siyang basahin at hindi siya mahaba at madali siyang maintindihan. So, mas better ito kaysa dito dahil ito is mahirap siyang basahin, like ano pa siya, need mo pa siyang intindihin. Ito ay hindi. So, madali lang mo na siyang So, next is there is requesting specific format. So, try natin. Give me self. So, just give me self. So, ang nakikita natin dito is very unclear, not specific, tas mahaba lang yung mahaba lang ang binigay ni AI na sagot kasi hindi siya like hindi siya naka-details like anong self or say ano ang ibig sabihin ng yung binigay sa kanya. So, this is a weak prompt. Next is try natin improve prompt. So, try natin ito. Ano ba ito? Give me a definition. Definition of self-discipline and include one easy example of how a student na ang sagot dahil ito ay understandable, very details, and madali lang siyang basahin at hindi siya mahaba at madali lang siyang intindihin. It's easy to read kaysa naman diri confusing siya diri, pero pagdating dito is na-sneeze. Para sagutin ni AI na maayos, anong uri ng inyong sagot ang kailangan at kung paano ito dapat isulat kaya mas magiging tama at organisado at pakipakinabang ang sagot ng AI. So, that's all and thank you. Bye!